Hey everyone! Today we will be talking about the universal block. It can function as a two-way or three-way 90-degree corner, a four-way cross junction, and more, adapting to various installation needs. Let's start with making sure we have everything we need. The connector with the bolt, coupler pin, a cotter pin, and an Allen wrench. Got them all? Great! Before we start, let's inspect for any damage. Give everything a good look over. If you see any cracks or bent pieces, replace them before moving forward. Now grab the connector with the bolt. Each connector has a lead that aligns with the corner hole of the block. This faces the outermost part of the block. Insert and the pieces will fit evenly. Once that is in, use your Allen wrench to tighten the connectors inside the block. Repeat for the other three corners. Align, insert, and tighten them up. When you use the Allen wrench, remember not to over-tighten. We don't want any stripped bolts, so just give it the necessary turns. With all the connectors secured, it's time for the coupler pin. Slide it right through the matching holes to lock it all together. This will be the outermost hole. Now, grab the cotter pin and pop it into the hole to secure your connector and ensure it's locked in place. Give it a last inspection to make sure everything is solid and secure. Looks good? Then we're all set. And there you have it. Your connector is now safe and secure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe